Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert and I'm going to walk you through the steps to performing a moving average within Excel. So the first thing that we want to do is see if we have the ability to add an add-in in Excel. And in order to do that, we're going to go to Tools, Add-ins, and then take a look at the list here and see if there is an analysis option. If there isn't, then you're probably working on a newer version of Excel, which I am as well, and unfortunately that means that we're going to have to download a separate program, which comes from Microsoft via another website called analysoft.com. I have the link here to make it easily accessible, and you can copy this into your browser. So once you go to this website, it'll give you the option to download. And when you download the file, this is what it'll look like. It's called Stat+. In order to perform your function in Stat+, what you'll do is first go to Spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel. It's going to create a blank document for you to work off of. Then you're going to go back to Stat+, go to Statistics, Time Series and Forecasting, and then select Moving Average. From here, you'll be able to input the information that you need to in order to perform that moving average. And